Namaste, I am Javin Diksha Saxena, Assistant Professor of Journalism Department from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. In the last video, we have learned what is reporting, and today we will learn what is writing, writing a newspaper and news is. So let's begin. Writing news. News is anything that makes a reader say great. As the word implies, news content much that is new, informing people about something that has just happened. But this is not happening always, as some stories run for decades and others recycle with the gloss of newsness and spoiled to it. News is anything out of the ordinary. It is the current happening. It is anything that makes the reader surprises and curious. News is anything that will make people talk. News is the issue for discuss and debates. Any events which affects most of the people. Interest most be interests most of the audience and involves most of the people in news. Thus, news can be called an accounts of the events written for the people who were unable to witness it. News is the written audio or visual construction of an event or happening or an incident. The news is constantly in the search of action, movements, news development, and surprises and sudden reveal ups and downs of fate and facts, the follies of the mankind. On the surface, defining news is simple task. News is an account of the what is happening around us. It may involve current events, new initiative, and ongoing projects or issues. But newspaper does not. It may involve current events, but new initiative, ongoing projects or issues. It is also print background analysis, opinions, human interest, stories, choosing what's news can be harder. The reporters choose a story from the flood of information and events happening in the world and their community. Stories are normally selected because their importance, emotion, impact, and timelines and their interest. Writing news, the structure of news story is hard, soft news and features is simple. A lead and the body. Writing a news, the structure of news story, element of news writing, which is opening paragraph or to the story. Journalists refer to the as the lead, and its function of summarize the story and or to draw a reader in depending on whether it is hard or soft news story. But differences between these two genres of the news stories is a hard of soft news story. The lead should be a full summary of the what is to follow. It should be incorporated as many of 5 Ws of journalism: who, what, where, when, why as possible. Homeless youth marched drawn youngs and in downtown Toronto Wednesday afternoon, demanding the municipal government provides emergency shelter during the winter months. Can you identify the 5 Ws in the lead? In this in the soft story, the lead should not present the subject of the story by allusion. I can repeat again. 5 Ws of journalism. The news is homeless youth march drawn, young sent in town down Toronto Wednesday afternoon demanding the municipal government provides emergency shelter during the winter months. Again, did you find the 5 Ws in the soft story? The lead should not present the subject of the story by allusion. The types of opening is somewhat literally like a novelist. The role of the writer is grab the attention of the reader. Until 4 years ago, Jason slept in alleyways. Once the reader is drawn in, the 5 Ws should be incorporated into the body of the story, but not necessarily at the very top. The body of the story involves combining the opinions of the people you interview, some factual data, and a narrative which is help to the story flow. A uh, word of caption. In this style of writing, you are not allowed to be editorialized. State your own opinion in the anyway. The role of reporter is to find out what people are thinking of an issue, to report the opinions of the different stakeholders of the and issues. These comments make up the bulk of the story. The narrative helps to weave the comments and into the whole, thus stick on the one particular theme throughout the story. You can put it different details, their relationship with the police. You do not want to go into details about the life of any one particular youth. As a reporter, you are the eyes and ear of the readers. Again, I will repeat this line. As a reporter, you are the eyes and ear for the reader. You should try to provide some visual details to bring the news to life. This is difficult if you have conducted only phone interviews, which is why face to face is best. You should also try to get the feel for the story. Having a feel means get, getting some understanding of the emotional background of the piece and the people involved in it. Try to get sense of characters involved and why they feel the way they do. Tips for the news writing, I will tell you. Keep your eyes and ear open. Listen to what your friends are talking about. Read everything you can get your hands on. Get story ideas from the newspapers and magazines. Think of youth angles for the current story, a makeup story. Research a subject that interests you. Ask yourself what you would like to know more about. Talk to people in the specific field to find out what is important to them. The so next is lead. The opening paragraph or introduction paragraph of the story is called the lead. Through in the journalistic practice, we also use this word for the biggest headline on the front page of newspaper, calling it the lead story. The main purpose of the intro is the lead is to take readers want to read on, motivate them to move further into the news story. State the important facts of first lead to a story, grab the reader's attention, inform the reader, and teaches the readers how to read the rest of story. Once can say that the leads is the flashlight that shines into a story. A newspaper's readers is likely to spend only few seconds deciding whether to read or not to read. If the lead does not grab the readers and the writers work in the vein, the leads establish the direction your writing will take. A good leads grabs your reader's attention and refuse to let go. In the other word, it hooks the readers. Not every types of lead will work for every writer or every pieces of writing, but one has the experiment with them. For writing a good news stories, be sure to have at least three sensationals in the your lead. Experiment with them. For the writing good news, every story be sure that have at had have that open and interesting newses. Writing leads question open with the interesting questions that relates to the main media. Example, have you ever wondered how you would survive if if you found yourself alone in the wilderness? How would you defend yourself against what what would you eat? Where would you find water? Next is riddle. Open with a riddle that is the reader can solve the by reading further. You may want to give the answer right away from save in the conclusion. Example, what is textbook? Textbook has no pages. It smiles wide and smile like a creek. It is around for millions of years. That's the right outdoor school announcement open with the announcement open what is come. However, do not insult of the reader by saying something like, I am going to tell you about. The reader should be able to figure out and what you are writing about. If you not there's something it's if you not there's something with the what you have written not to be reader. Example, the trait of voice is very important in writing. However, it is difficult to teach even bold and challenging statement. A bold and challenging statement is similar to an announcement, but it is meant to cause some people to disagree with what you say. It's like one side of an argument. It is can be an opinion, but don't immediately state that is your opinion. Example, using horses and cattle in the sport of rodeo is animal abuse. What makes is more aggressive, more aggravating is that is illegal. According to the law, there is nothing wrong with the chasing an animal down. A rope around its neck, knocking to the ground, and trying to legs together. So trying to legs, not I'm saying legs, not legs together, so it cannot move. Definition definition open with the definition open with a the term you are discussing. It can be your own and come from dictionary or textbook. If you take it from the dictionary of textbook, be sure that you are that use of quotation marks and gives credit to sources. Example, according to Webster's dictionary, a government is the authority that serves the people and acts on that their behalf. How can the government know what the people want if the people do not vote? if we if we do not vote, the government may act on its on behalf itself of the behalf on the of the people. Opinion open with the with your opinion about the topic. This is similar to an bold and challenging statement, but you let the readers you let the readers knows that your opinions and right way. Example, it is my opinions, the driving age should be lowered to 14. Most teenagers are more responsible than adults give us credit for being. Just because we are teenagers does not mean we are irresponsible and dangerous. 16 well not quotation from the famous person open with a open with the quotation will well not the famous person. Be sure that be sure to put quotations around the quotation of give credit to the people who said. Of course, must be directly related to your topic. A good sources is a book is a book of quotation. Look in the library of your ask your teacher. Example like President John F said, ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country. I think today's American have forgotten Kennedy's messages. We accept our country to take care of us, but we are not taking care of our and country. So, which means not from a famous person open with the uh, with a quotation from a person that is not famous. It could be a character from the story, or someone you know personally. You still must put as quotation of marks and give credit to the person. So this is the story how to write a news. And it should be impressive and impactful for the people and for the readers, that they have a they can build up their curiosity. So today we have learned what is how to write a news. So thank you.